key tag to put it in for you to program the remote. Some of them, they don't come with it. This is how to cut it using the cell phone. See here? Yeah. We left another key?
No, I left the key in the truck.
Okay, now we finish it. You have to see the way of programming it. This car have two different keys. The chip may be the same, but the frequency could be different. So we have one here with a different frequency. We have this one with a different frequency. I don't know which one this car take, but they come with the numbers. When you try to program it, you have to put these numbers. Okay, welcome to Best Car Fixes. Again, this is Subaru 2010. It have a key, but as usual, those keys sometime programming, like sometime it have 8-digit pin code. That 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This code here, you have to write it down into the car, into the body control module. That means the remote have to be programmed separately and kind of really crazy. So this is the original key. When I put it in, the car start. It doesn't want to start because the car is like manual. But you see the security light is not here. If I take this one out and I put this one, the security light is still there. So let me try to see if we can program this. So I'm gonna go here and I will go to IMO. I believe the key have, both of them you have to program them. You cannot add a key except go by VIN number, auto detect. If I'm able to get the VIN number, it will be more better. Automatic, like I already see everything there. American car, Outback, 2006 to 12, blade key, 6 to 12, say yes. Okay, control unit or hot function, immobilizer, turn ignition on. I have to program maybe all of them one time. All key loss guide. Start it. Insert the key to be turn ignition on. Now we're gonna see what happened. Remain 6 seconds. See the light go off. Okay, 1 second. Please wait 5 seconds. Maybe I have to put the other key also in a few. So please 5 seconds. All kilos, you have to program the next key too. Do you want to program another key? Say yes. Switch ignition off, remove the key 27 seconds. I remove the key. Insert the other one. Turn the key on. Please wait. Success. No. I did 2 keys. Success. That's it. So those 2 keys are being fixed, are being programmed now. The problem is how to program the remote. We're gonna come on that one in another video. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. I'm gonna push the clutch and the brake together, because if this car push the brake and push the clutch to start it. This one is good. And this is the one I have it. The remote is still working. Okay, let me see what they're gonna say on the remote. Does it I have to do it different way or not? Okay. Where is the other remote? This is one. This is the second one. Let me go back, escape. Escape again. Let me see how the remote gonna work. This remote may be a lot of crazy steps, but I will see. Ignition must be on, sorry. Please don't give me, okay, start remote. Okay, start it. I know there is a sun here. It doesn't let us see the light good, but let me try to cover it. Okay, I'm not sure if this is gonna start or not, but let's go. Ignition is on, yes. Some of them you have to do it with a different, okay. Here, you have to put the 8 digit. So I'm gonna take this one here. They make it better. Okay. 332 655 14. 332 655 14. Just be sure. 332 655 14. So okay. Input success. So the remote will be registered automatically.